Operation of surds. A. Addition and subtraction of surds. Addition and subtraction of surds are possible only when order and radicand are same. That is only for surds. Step 1. Convert each surd in its simplest mixed form. Step 2. Then find the sum or difference of rational coefficient of like surds. Step 3. Finally, to get the required sum or difference of like surds, multiply the result obtained in step 2 by the surd factor of like surds. Step 4. The sum or difference of unlike surds is expressed in a number of terms by connecting them with a positive sign plus or negative minus sign. Illustration 1. Find the sum of root 12 and root 27. Solution. Step 1. Express each surd in its simplest mixed form. We can write 12 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 and 27 equals to 3 into 3 into 3. Root 12 equals to root over 2 into 2 into 3 equals to 2 root 3. Root 27 equals to root over 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 3 root 3. Root 12 plus root 27 equals to 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3. Step 2. Then find the sum of rational coefficient of like surds equals to 5 root 3. Illustration 2. Simplify 5 cube root 250 plus 7 cube root 16 minus 14 cube root 54. 250 can be expressed as 125 into 2. 16 can be written as 8 into 2. 54 can be written as 27 into 2. Further, 125 is expressed as 5 cube. 8 is expressed as 2 cube. And 27 is expressed as 3 cube. Equals to 5 into cube root of 125 into 2 plus 7 into cube root of 8 into 2 minus 14 into cube root of 27 into 2. By simplifying, equals to 5 into 5 cube root 2 plus 7 into 2 cube root 2 minus 14 into 3 into cube root 2. By taking cube root 2 as common, equals to 25 plus 14 minus 42 into cube root 2. By simplifying, equals to minus 3 cube root 2. Remarks. Root x plus root y is not equal to root of x plus y. And root x minus root y is not equal to root of x minus y. Summary.